Can you see the posterior wall of pharynx now?
Yes.
Okay. Can you identify the constrictor muscles here?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the posterior wall of the pharynx. There should be a midline raphe. Can you see midline raphe?
Yes.
Okay. So now if we remove this posterior wall, we can see the appearance of the anterior wall and the openings in the anterior wall. So I'm removing the posterior wall. Okay, so I remove it. Under surface is covered by mucous membrane. You are right, but now this whole posterior wall is gone. Little bit part of the adenoid is also there because this was the roof of the of the nasopharynx, not the skull. Nasopharynx. Roof of the skull is here at the top. Don't use the word skull. Twice I listened that. The roof of the nasopharynx. Why? Because we are discussing nasopharynx, not the skull. Okay. Okay. Now when I remove these walls, can you see the anterior wall and three gaps there?
Yes.
The choanae are there.
Yes.
The oral fauces is there.
Yes.
And laryngeal inlet is there.
Yes.
Can you locate in the nasopharynx the things which I just explained? This fold is your salpingopharyngeal fold. Can you see this? This is salpingopharyngeal fold in the nasopharynx, and naturally this place is your fossa of Rosen-Muller behind this salpingopharyngeal fold. You can't see from there. You have to take trouble, waste your ATP molecules and come there and give your energy. You can't see from there. From here. Okay. Right. So now you can see very good fold, salpingopharyngeal fold and the fossa of Rosen-Muller there. Right. And then you can see the oral fauces with the two tonsillar pillars and palatine tonsils in the lateral wall very clearly. Lower down you can see the laryngeal inlet and a very good piriform fossa of the larynx. Can you see this is the piriform fossa?
This is the food stuck here.
This is the place where food normally passes, but if it is a hard object that can stuck, so you can say foreign bodies are stuck here. Don't use the word food. Foreign body could be food like a hard piece of toffee or chocolate for a small child. Okay, so any solid object can be stuck. It may be food or non-food. Okay, clear? Right? So now you can spread these models among you and you can see. Plus, I am asking them to keep all the other models as well. So you can continue your revision till you feel hungry, go for lunch. And then we'll do the same thing in the next lab today and in the next week. So you will have 3 revisions which are sufficient.